guys, welcome to another short. This is gonna be 2 minutes long anyways. If you're wondering where I am, like, I'm in my nature club right now. Yeah, I have actually two clubs, Minecraft club and nature club. Right now, I'm in nature club. We usually go into nature and just like do playing stuff. Pretty nice. Like, yeah. I really don't want to show any people in this short, but I'm gonna try not to show any people, but yeah. Nature is beautiful. I'll show you one taste. It's a forest. You see here, Finnish forests are actually kind of protected. Yeah, like a lot of forests are protected area. This is like a nice cozy area. We can play. There's like hide and seek material here. There's like houses there. Oh, I got a house. Yeah, it's pretty nice living in Finland. And some of my friends are like here playing as well. Anywho, now the tour is soon gonna end, so yeah. Like 20 seconds until the short ends. So I gotta try to stop at the same place. Anyways, this one is 2 minutes, guys. So I would appreciate it if you like and subscribe. Oh, Derek.